Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to be introducing several versions of the PivotBy function. Okay, PivotBy, the raw fields is going to be, let's call our table, PivotBy, sex of interview person, it's got the bracket, then equals the column fields is going to be, cis tracks, and it's going to be, track type. Okay, then we have the values, which is going to be what says right, which is going to be a quantity column, and then we have the function is going to be sum, and pretty much this is it. There we go, Control Shift arrow to the right, Control Shift 1. Okay, let's do a second version of it, which is going to be the pivot by. Let's do C tracks, location of the seizure. Let's do it by a column field, which is going to be sex. Okay. And then the value is going to be six drugs quantity. Okay. Let's close the bracket and then it's going to be a sum. There we go. Okay. And the data was pivoted by the city of the drug, of the location of the seizure, and by gender. Okay. Let's do a second delivery of the pivot by function, says drugs. Then we're going to do action taken. Okay. There we go. We don't want the columns. We need the value C drugs. Then, which is going to be quantity. Let's close the bracket. Then let's do the sum. Let's close it, and there we go. Okay. Control Shift 1. Okay. Arrested. I mean the action taken, everything that is arrested, everything that is in detain, escape. When it comes to kilos. Okay, let's do another thing. Let's do the same um, function, but instead of sum, let's do okay. Here, let's switch it to transaction ID, and let's do the count. Okay, and there we go. Now we have the count of all the transactions which are in a status arrested, detained, escape, and so on. Okay, let me do something else. Let's do in here the H stack. Okay, open parentheses. The first one is going to be the sum. Okay, and the next one is going to be the count. Let's close this one, and there we go. Now we have the sum of when it comes to kilos and the count of units per of the transactions. Thank you.